hope everybody has had a great weekend. And I thought I'll do this video because Tap Global has come out with some absolutely fantastic news. And it's something that all the Tap Global XTP holders have been waiting for. But before I get into that, we had a massive pump around about 11:30 UK time with Bitcoin. And we've basically broken out of that downward trend resistance here. So we pumped out of that. We're coming up to a little bit of resistance here. We had that nice pump and we're sitting at currently about 28,391. So that's a good start to October, because August, September, it's just been so boring. And yeah, we've had so much good news come out in the crypto space, but no real price. The volume, the liquidity just has not been there. But as of today, we've sort of broken out of that. And can we carry on that uptrend up? Well, obviously we could do, but you just got to bear in mind on a bit of a negativity, we could come back a little bit. But you know, at the moment, I'm enjoying this pump. I hope everybody else is as well, because it's about time. All the crypto industry deserves it. All the traders and investors basically deserve some sort of uptick, because it's just been sideways boring and we've had such a big horrible bear market. And when we get these nice little pumps, take advantage of it, but also don't forget, take some profits as well as you go. None of any information I say on this channel is financial advice. You always do your own research and that. But today we have some absolutely big news with Tap Global. So about 7 o'clock this morning, I was checking out regulatory news, agreement to launch in the United States. Fantastic news. So I downloaded it, checked it out here, and it says Tap will operate under zero hash existing regulatory coverage in the US. So like I said, we've been waiting for the US for a long time. We thought last year we're going to get earlier this year we're going to go into the US. Nothing happened because of all the regulatory issues with the SEC, Security Exchange Council, and Gary Gensler causing all sorts of issues. And quite rightly, Tap Global backed away at that point. And they must feel right now is the right time to actually start to enter the US market. And they're going to be doing it through a company here which is called Zero Hash. And basically Zero Hash is a financial technology company that provides an infrastructure and software solutions for the digital assets and cryptocurrency industry. So we could go back to this here, and we can see here that Edward Woodford, or CEO of Zero Hash, added Tap has established itself as a leading money app in Europe, onboarding hundreds of thousands of users to the crypto economy. We're pleased that Tap has chosen to partner with Zero Hash for their expansion to the US, reinforcing our position to the most trusted and sophisticated B2B2C crypto as service infrastructure for the global innovation. So Tap Global has found this company, a company that they can work with, who partnered up with, where they can able confidently to enter the US market. Because as we know, Tap Global over these months have increased in numbers in Tap Global users and downloaded the app, which is absolutely fantastic news. But to get into America, they know they've got a waiting list of people who are ready to onboard onto the Tap Global app. So once it all goes confirmedly through, that's it, it's opened to the US users, and that is going to be a significant marker for Tap Global, because it's going to actually really push up the numbers of users. And obviously that's good for Tap Global as a company, because don't forget they're on the stock markets, and just like Coinbase, they are regulated by the regulators, so they have to be transparent on there. You know, you get Binance's who do their self finances in terms of releasing that, but Tap Global, and like with Coinbase, they have to show their proof of reserves, and they have to show their financial statements, profit, loss, directors selling, buying, whatever. They have to be fully transparent. If they're not, they're in big trouble. There can't be any kind of funny games. But so with Tap users will be offered access to 24 digital assets, including Bitcoin, ETH, XRP, and stablecoins such as USDC. Tap's US application is expected to launch in Q4 of 2023 to a significant waiting list, and that is what I mean, significant waiting list. And this proof will be in the pudding when we get the next financial statement off Tap Global, which will hopefully show a massive intake in Tap Global app users. So if you want to join Tap Global, down below in the description, not forgetting, you can sign up by downloading the link, going to the link, download it, check out their app. It's worth it. They've had a big change in the app as well. It's really has changed over these past few weeks, which is another positive sign for Tap Global. So download it, see what you think. It doesn't cost you no money at all. But like I said, what really excites me is when you get that word in here, a significant waiting list. So basically, they haven't given an actually date, but it's going to be in Q4 of 2023. Launch in the US to underpin a continual expansion and growth users. So that is, like I said, that is great news for Tap Global. And then obviously, you know, we've got Canada and Australia as well. And so we've got David Carcio, Tap Global Group, commented, "We are excited to be working with Zero Hash to be launching in the United States. The US is the biggest cryptocurrency market in the world, but also offers from the impact of bad actors in the market. Tap will offer its new users a secure, regulated, that's a keyword, regulate and innovative alternatives to the platforms currently under regulatory scrutiny for their improved approach to safety of consumers and their digital assets." And that is the key to a lot of people after FTX happened, want to have confidence that their money is safe. And in Zero Hash, we have found a well-established partner that shares our regulatory-first approach and will be able to provide us with a platform of establishment and significant presence in the United States. With over 200,000 registered Tap users already, the US launch expecting Q4 of 2020 will pave the way for further expansions into the additional countries, including Canada and Australia. So that is another opening for Tap Global. So if you're not excited about Tap Global like I am, I don't know what is, because this, and invested in a company who's just really started up really, and all this is happening, is mega bullish news. And you know, and I'm here for the long-term ride, because like I said, as soon as the doors open for the United States, then Canada, Australia as well, and then other countries added into that mix. That means the numbers of potential Tap Global users will massively increase, and obviously that's going to have an impact on XTP price as well. And obviously for us early investors in XTP, that is going to be, especially when this bull market, because don't forget, we aren't fully in this bull market yet, and when this bull market comes, really kicks in, who comes in? Retail. And when retail come in, they're going to see companies like Tap Global, and they're going to onboard on there. So, you know, lots of exciting things. We've got America, Australia, Canada coming in, and the start of the bull market, where lots of more retail will start to come in like the last bull market. They will do. And that is going to be bringing more significance. So if you're not excited, like I said, if you're not excited about Tap Global at the moment, I don't know what I can say, really, to make it better. But you know, it's exciting times ahead, and I'm really hoping that with Bitcoin, I hope this bear market and the sideways action is coming to an end. And I'm not saying that we're not going to go rocket up to 60,000-70,000 overnight. There is going to be a bit more choppy sideways ahead, no doubt, and there's going to be dips and there's going to be pumps. You just got to be prepared for it. You just got to have your risk management. Just be careful and do your own research. Like I said, nothing I say on this channel is financial advice. You always, like I do your own research and never put more money you're willing to lose. But bullish on Tap Global. If you like this kind of content, give us a thumbs up, give us a subscribe. It's always much appreciated. And I'll see you soon in the next video. Take care.